So many of you have been asking for healthier recipes, so I'm gonna make a 0-calorie, gluten-free smoothie. So keep watching. So in a blender, add 2 cups of ice. Next, add 1 cup of water. Next, you wanna add 2 teaspoons of water extract. Now make sure you use the expensive stuff. So I'm gonna use tiny spoons. It's about 4 of those. Don't skip out on the extract. Now blend it. Now just pour your smoothie into your glass. And don't forget the straw. And now for the taste test. It's good, but I have to say it is lacking a little bit of flavor. Maybe try it with my tiny spoon. A little better. Next time I'll use more water extract.